had a wonderful weekend and you maybe made some more shortbread, biscuits, and you enjoyed them with a good cup of tea and you did your breathing to them. We had a very special week last week. We were celebrating a couple of very special days. And this week, although there aren't so many special days that we're celebrating, we are introducing a new letter sound and we are continuing our study with Africa with some more wonderful crafts that we are going to make. So I hope you are ready for the week and I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started and welcome in our day. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. When I sit at circle, my bottom is on the floor. My legs are crisscross applesauce. My eyes are looking, my ears are listening, my mouth is closed, and my hands are in my lap. Tommy Thumb is up and Tommy Thumb is down. Tommy Thumb is dancing all around the town. Dance him on your shoulders, dance him on your head, dance him on your knees and tuck him into bed. Good morning to you, good morning to you. We're all in our spaces with bright shiny faces and I say to you, good morning to you. Good morning, Miss Alexa. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. I'm glad you're here today. Hooray! Buenos dias. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? Buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? Good morning, my friends, and what a wonderful morning it is today, the first day of our working week. But what day is that? What day is it today? Let's have a look. If yesterday was Sunday and tomorrow will be Tuesday, that means today is Monday. Today is Monday. Look at all these numbers. Can you help me, please? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. That's a lot of numbers. Today is Monday, April 27. Hoy es el lunes, el 27 de abril. Days of the week, days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Los días de la semana son 7. Son 7, los días de la semana son 7, son 7. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo son 7, son 7. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes. Sabador, Domingo. Sunny, 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 sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? S-U-N-N-Y is sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? Cloudy, 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 cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? Rainy, 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 rainy. Is it rainy in the sky? R-A-I-N-Y is rainy. Is it rainy in the sky? Windy, 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 windy. Is it windy in the sky? W-I-N-D-Y, windy. Is it windy in the sky? Snowy, 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 snowy. Is it snowy in the sky? S-N-O-W-Y is snowy. Is it snowy in the sky? What is the weather like with you today? Here, it is kind of sunny. It's nice sunny today. So I'm going to sing about the sun. But if the weather is different with you, you sing about the weather where you are. I know a day just like today, and sunny was the weather. S-U-N-N-Y, 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 and sunny was the weather. My friends, we have a new letter sound this week. I am so excited about it. But I wonder what it is. Our letter sound this week is D. This is the letter D, and it has the sound D. D. Would you like to trace D with me? D. D. Dog. Let's read a story about little D and all of the things that she collects in her special D sound box. First I will read the page and then I will show you the pictures. Little D had a box. I will find things that begin with my D sound, she said, and I will put them in my sound box. Little D found dolls. Do you have dolls? Maybe. She found all kinds of dolls. Dolls and more dolls. One doll danced. One doll played a drum. Did little Duck put the dolls into her box? Yes, she did. Of course she did. But some dolls fell out. So little Duck said, I will turn this box into a house for the dolls. And she did. Little Duck made the dolls a desk and a chest of drawers. She made a dining room with a table and dishes for the table. Little Duck made the dolls some dresses. She made all kinds of dresses. They're very colourful dresses. And she dressed her dolls and took them for a drive in the desert. They saw the dromedary. I bet it's hot in the desert. Little Duck made some toys for her dolls. She made ducks, quack quack, for her dolls. She made dogs, woof woof, for her dolls. She put the ducks and the dogs into the house. Do you have a duck or a dog? One day the doll was sick. So she took the doll to a doctor. One day a doll had a toothache. So little Duck took the doll to a dentist. One day, little Duck walked out of her door. I will buy donuts for the dolls, she said. We will have donuts for dinner. That's a treat, dinner. Donuts for dinner. She put a dozen donuts on the dining room table. What a lot of duh sounds little duh had. Should we have a look in our duh sound box and see what we have? Ready? Abre tierra. Abre tierra. Abre la cajita. Abre tierra. Abre tierra. ¿Qué hay en la cajita? ¿Qué hay en la cajita? What is in the little box? Oh, there is something big here. Put it down to pull it out. It is a... Do you know what it is? A dress. Is it my dress? No. But I am wearing a dress. This is Arabella's dress. Dress. What else do we have in there? Deer. A deer. A doctor. Do you have a doctor? I have a doctor too. Quack quack. What is it? A duck. A duck. A detective. A detective. Looks like he's searching for something. And I have a dollar. A dollar. What a lot of duh sounds we have in our box. I would love it today if you could go around your house and try and find all of the duh sounds. Maybe you could be a detective and detect all of the duh sounds in your house. And maybe you could put them in a little box or a basket. Or if you're writing and starting to write, maybe you could take some paper around on a clipboard or a pad and you could write down all of the duh sounds you found. You could even draw them. I would be so excited to see what you came up with. Okay, my friends, to finish off today, we are going to do a couple of yoga poses. So the first one you probably know, the second one you might not, but I made a little bit more space today so you could see more what I was doing. The first one we are going to do is called a downward dog. Yes, you know downward dog. It's a very popular one, very good one too. So I'm going to stand up and do a downward dog. Now you can see my feet right now. Stand on our feet. We're going to put our hands down. Push your feet out. Do a downward dog. While we go down, we're going to breathe in and out. Now we are going to stay in this pose partially. We're going to do a dolphin pose. So your legs stay the same, but all we do is we put our elbows down to the ground for a dolphin. Come back onto your knees. Spin around. Put your shoulders up and down in your back pockets. I hope you enjoy doing your dolphin pose and your downward dog pose at home. You can practice them. So let's finish with some dolphin breathing. Let's pretend we are a dolphin coming out and into the water. So we're going to take a breath in and out. And in and out. One more time, in and out. Shoulders up and down in your back pockets. My friends, I hope you have a wonderful day and enjoy looking for your duh sounds and practicing your duh yoga poses. Tomorrow, we are going to make a djembe. It's an African drum. It's going to be an exciting day. Have a wonderful afternoon and I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.